In this video, I will explain how to connect a Leica DISTO D510 with a Leica DISTO Plan app to a phone or tablet. First of all, switch on your DISTO D510. Press Function and then Settings. Activate the Bluetooth. When Bluetooth is enabled, a black symbol will be shown on the top left on the DISTO screen. Then check if the Bluetooth connection on your phone is also enabled. Now open the DISTO Plan app and select My Devices from the side menu. Your DISTO is now available for connection. Tap Add to connect both devices. The first time you connect, you will be asked to sign up to extend your warranty for an additional year for free. We will show you this step by step in a separate video. Above the device picture, you can see the model and serial number. The Bluetooth icon switches to blue when your DISTO is connected to your phone. Tap Info to access many useful information, including the DISTO manual and video tutorials. When the DISTO is turned off, it will be automatically disconnected. Once you have added your device, it will remain in your device list. If you experience troubles connecting again, tap on Forget Device on the info page. This will allow you to add your device again. Watch also other how-to videos about our Leica DISTO Plan app.